Nesting is a search technique that uses brackets to help you group together concepts to improve your search. Brackets in searches work like a simple maths equation. For example, if we were to search without nesting, the database will retrieve articles on academic libraries and artificial intelligence, but also articles on just AI. If we add in nesting and place brackets around artificial intelligence or AI, the database will retrieve articles on academic libraries and artificial intelligence, or academic libraries and AI. We can add multiple sets of nested terms within a search. For example, we could add a few search terms to our example. Placing brackets around both concepts then asks the database to retrieve either option from each set of brackets. If you need to add other concepts, for example, if we wanted papers with an Australian focus, you can add another set of brackets. If you need more help, contact the library.